D.
D, D, D.
D is for dog. The dog barks and wags its tail. It's a loyal and friendly pet. Dog.
D, D.
Dog. D is for duck. The duck swims in the pond. It quacks and has webbed feet. Duck.
D, D.
Duck. D is for dolphin. The dolphin jumps in the ocean. It's a clever and playful sea animal. Dolphin.
D, D.
Dolphin. D is for donut. The donut is a round, sweet pastry. It comes in different flavors. Donut.
D, D.
Donut. D is for drum. The drum makes music when you hit it. It has a rhythmic sound. Drum.
D, D.
Drum. D is for daisy. The daisy is a white flower with yellow in the center. It's simple and pretty. Daisy.
D, D.
Daisy. D is for desert. The desert is a hot, sandy place with cacti and camels. Desert.
D, D.
Desert. D is for dinosaur. The dinosaur roamed the earth a long time ago. Some were very large. Dinosaur.
D, D.
Dinosaur.